The blinking red light on your Spectrum router or modem indicates a critical connectivity problem, meaning your device isn't able to access the internet. This is often due to a loss of signal between your modem and Spectrum's network. Common causes include loose or damaged coaxial cable connections, internal hardware faults like overheating or outdated firmware, ISP-side issues such as local outages or account problems, and external factors like electromagnetic interference. Think of it as your device's way of saying, "I can't connect," so start troubleshooting right away. Recent data from Spectrum indicates that between 20 to 30% of customer-reported problems are related to this blinking red light. To restore your internet connection, start with power cycling your modem and router. Unplug both devices for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This resets the devices and often fixes temporary errors. Next, check all coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure and undamaged. Test with a different cable if possible. You can also use Spectrum's app or website to check your signal strength. The ideal range is -15 to +15 dBV for downstream. For advanced troubleshooting, consider running your modem in bridge mode or updating the firmware through Spectrum's portal. If the problem persists, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357 or use their chatbot for remote diagnostics. Remember, many users resolve this issue themselves, so don't hesitate to try these steps.